So if you're having problems with your touchscreen here in your Subaru, well, there are a few things there that you could do so that you gain access or you gain usage of your touchscreen. So the first thing that you may want to do here is to just basically restart the engine. Now turn off your vehicle, wait for about 30 to 60 seconds, more if you can, then restart it. Now this actually reboots the infotainment system like restarting a frozen phone. And also, if this does not work, next thing you want to do is you may want to reset the actual touchscreen. So this restarts the head unit without shutting the engine. So what you need to do is with the CD player unit, you want to press and hold the CD eject volume and tune or scroll button. Now hold until the screen turns off and back on. Now without the CD player here, what you need to do is you want to press and hold the volume knob even if a screen off message appears, keep holding it, then release once the screen shuts down and reboots. Now, next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to update the software. So this reduces glitches in newer systems. So you want to turn on the screen and go to settings and tap Wi-Fi settings and connect Wi-Fi. Now return and select software update, tap download now. And once done, turn off the car, lock all doors, and leave keys 10 plus feet away for about 5 minutes. So just keep the keys away for about 10 away like 10 feet apart, and start the car again to complete the update. Now, next thing that you want to do is you may want to replace the infotainment system. Now, a unit costs around $1,000 to $1,700. So and still may freeze again after a few months. So check if your model qualifies for free replacement under Subaru's extended warranty. So it's under if I'm not mistaken, it's under like for 5 years and around like 100,000 miles. So yeah. So if not, you may want to consult with a technician here and see what are your options. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.